As you can see, this is the replica starter motor ordered from China and looks exactly the same as the OEM. Check the description for the purchase link and the compatible motorcycle models. First, you have to measure the overall perimeter of the main body and draw a mark halfway from the manufacturer's mark. Total perimeter is 18 centimeters, so the half point is at 9 centimeters. Then you need to loosen the two long screws that hold the body of the motor, using a 7 mm wrench. Without removing the screws, rotate the main body cylinder 180 degrees to match the manufacturer mark, as shown in the video. Then, retighten the two bolts. This will reverse the polarity of the magnet, and the motor will rotate on the opposite direction, as it should for RIEJU or Legacy GasGas models. For KTM bikes, there is no need to do the rotation. Replace the old starter by removing these two 8 mm bolts. Remove the positive battery cable using a 10 mm wrench. Remove the motor by pushing and wiggling around a bit. Place the new starter in place. You may want to use a rubber hammer to slightly hit it in place. Retighten the battery pole and the two bolts that hold the motor in place. Don't forget the plastic cover. It's a good idea to replace the relay as well, since they tend to go bad after some time, and it is usually not an expensive part. First, you remove the right side panel to gain access to the relay. Then, you remove the negative and positive poles with an 8 mm wrench. After cleaning the area with contact spray, you install the new relay in the same way. Have in mind that the red wire connects to letter B, while the black wire connects to letter M. Put the relay back to its rubber holder case and tidy up the cables using cable tie. Place back the plastic panel and start the bike. You can find the link of the starter in the description.